Are you looking to change your blades on your Husqvarna ride-on mower or any ride-on mower in that fact, and you don't have a fancy ride-on mower jack? Watch this and find out how. You could try to take the deck off and fight that, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna raise the deck up all the way, and then we're gonna lay just a regular car jack under the front on the lowest point, and then that should give us plenty of room. Let's see how it goes. Please consider dropping down below and hitting that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out. I'm Steven with Break Free Homestead, and I want to invite you to join our journey as we turn our land into a homestead. So for this 18542, we're using the 42-inch blades, obviously. OEM number from Husqvarna is 532-138-971. And these are about $37 at Lowe's. So really not a bad deal if you want to do it annually. All right, so this was a 5/8 socket to get that out of there. And what I did on this discharge side was shove a piece of wood in here just to stop the blade from spinning so I could loosen it. Super easy, not anything technical, but as you can see, this blade is messed up. I've done a lot with this mower over the past year and haven't been very careful with it, as the yard was horrible, and that is not what it's supposed to look like, and it's pretty nasty. So it was pretty, there's a lot of vibrations in the when you're mowing, and that's probably the reason why. If you're sitting here confused which side goes up, the easy thing is to remember that these fins are going to be throwing the grass blades up. So super simple. So sometimes the new blades can be tough to get back onto the star setting for the blade, but if you just push it on where it's supposed to go and then use the bolt to assist it back on a little bit, it'll push into place, and then you can tighten it up. And you might not necessarily need a piece of wood to tighten each one, but you can always use it, pin it on the ground, and it'll give you plenty of pressure so you can get it back tight. As you can see, guys, these blades were well past the point of being done. This one got stuck. A piece of wood got stuck in the deck multiple times and it bent. Over here, I think that was another piece of wood. It split. I wasn't very careful about the rocks in the beginning, but now we have new blades on, so we're gonna be a little bit more careful. Our yard's way better than it was, so this season should go a lot better. Now, I've used this thing to help transform our backyard from rough forest or cut down area, just stumps and a big mess, into this. Click up here for that video in that series. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop down below in the comments section. Let me know. If you would consider dropping down below, hitting that like and subscribe button, it really helps us out. Thank you guys.